Hey everybody, this is Alex from Airworks, and today we're going to talk about the EVO series. So the EVO series consists of 5 different models. You start as low as the T80, which outputs 80 CFM at 100 PSI, up to the T100, T150, T185, this one here, and the T235. So all of our EVO series air compressors utilize a Tier 4 final certified engine. These engines all use a unique blend of advanced piston geometry, EGR, and high pressure common rail fuel injection. This enables you to eliminate 98% of particulate from the exhaust compared to a regular diesel engine, giving you class-leading fuel economy in the process. So connected to our Tier 4 final certified engine is our EVO series rotary screw air end. So every single twister compressor was designed and developed by people who work on compressors, who use compressors, and who want something that's really, really easy to maintain. As a result, this one panel right here comes out and it exposes all of your filters, all of your drain hoses, everything that you're going to need to get up and running and to keep your unit on the road. So coming over to the front of the unit, we've got our extreme duty cooler. This unit comes standard on all of our T150, T185, and T235 units. This unit essentially just brings in oil from the rest of the system, giving it one extra place to cool down. So if your service vehicle or your application can't accommodate that extra little bit of space that comes with having this extra cooling unit, that's not a big deal. You're actually able to completely remove it and reinstall it somewhere else, giving you still that extra auxiliary cooling without compromising on space. So coming over to the bulkhead of the unit, we got a few different things going on. Down below here, you're gonna have your fuel supply and fuel return lines. So you can have this integrated either with an external undermount fuel tank that has skids on it, or you can actually connect it in with your vehicle's fuel supply just directly with this. Right above it here is gonna be your battery quick connect to help power the system. So over on this side here, we've got these 2 Amphenol plugs that'll actually be connecting directly to your unit's auto start control box. Tucked up over in the corner here, we're gonna have our preheat buzzer to let you know when your unit is ready to go. And lastly, just a simple little hour meter to keep track of how much you've been using it. So connecting to those 2 Amphenol plugs on the unit itself, you're gonna be going out to here. This right here is your auto start control unit. This module essentially is going to allow you to start up your compressor. After it is able to actually get up to a nice smooth idle, you can activate your compressor button here. It'll run it up, it'll build all the air that you're gonna need, and after that point, you're gonna be able to press auto. What this is gonna do is essentially, it's only gonna run your compressor when you need air, and then your engine's gonna turn off whenever you don't, saving as much fuel as possible in the process. Some other beautiful things about this is that this little interface here is that you're gonna be able to preview your system's current PSI, service schedule, service codes, engine temperature, basically everything that you wanna know about your compressor while it's running out in the field. This button here down below is a secondary auxiliary switch. This can be wired in by opening up the back panel here, and you can use this as a control for any other system that you can imagine. If you're interested in putting an EVO compressor in your fleet, get in touch with us today at info@airworkscompressors.com or by contacting one of our dealers across our global dealer network. You can see that on our website at airworkscompressors.com/dealers. Thanks.